people who spend most of their time in this land, by the way, it's rampant everywhere, but creating the division, if you fall for it and you let yourself be sucked into it, then you're a sucker yourself. Your only defense is to keep looking to Christ and recognize that Christ sees you the same way he sees the person sitting beside you, covered by his red shed blood that he spilled for you and for me, and he's not looking at who has more, who has less, who has standing. And for the people who are the organizers, the epitome of evil, the organizers of all of this evil that's happened in our land, if you don't think, it may not happen in our lifetime, but if you don't think they're going to get theirs, they will.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before